Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Frabill ice fishing hut tent. So this is how it comes when you buy it. It comes in a white box like this. This is the tent that they'd advertise. It fits 2 to 3 people. HQ 100 hub style shelter. And that's supposed to be us inside. So let's go ahead and open it up. And let's see how the box looks. Look like this. Spin it around. I think. Cut it here too. Just like that. Got it open. Alright, it comes in a bag. Black bag, just like those beach seats. Okay. All right, so there we go. This is what it looks like. Comes in a well-packed bag. Seems pretty portable. Let's go ahead and try to open it up and see what's inside. Right, on the pouch, you get the pouch in the front, you open it up, you get your pegs right here to secure them into the ground. What else do we have in here? You got some ropes. Anything else? Pegs and ropes only in that front pocket. And on the inside, feels pretty heavy kind of. Let's open it up. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, we got the pegs there, and then we opened it up here. Let's see, what else do I see? What is this? It's some sort of Velcro material. I think this might go around the windows. It's only like this big, around the foot. We'll find out what that is when we actually set up the tent, which will be in the future video. But there you have it. You got your, you got 2 straps right here. You could wear it on your bag, on your back. And that's it for now. If you guys want to see me set up this tent, make sure you tune in to the next video of setting up the Frabill. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Frabill ice fishing hut. So that'll be the next video coming up. If you guys like these kind of videos, please subscribe. Feel free to thumbs up. If you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and we'll see you when we set this tent up.